There's a part of Lagos right now where property prices have quietly doubled, rent has tripled, and smart investors are already buying everything in sight. But the crazy thing is, most people are still not paying attention. In this video, I'll be showing you where it's happening, why it's happening, and if it's already too late to get in on the action. The area I'm talking about is Sangotedo. And if you've been sleeping on this axis, I won't lie, you're already a bit late, but not too late. Sangotedo is currently one of the fastest growing real estate corridors in Lagos. But before we get into why this area is exploding, let's talk some numbers. Over the last few years, Sangotedo has seen massive growth. According to market data, property prices in areas like Sangotedo recorded close to 96% growth between 2019 and 2022. Currently, the growth rate stands at about over 100% return on investment. Let me give you an example. In 2023, we launched a project called Clarion Terraces, just behind the popular Novare Mall in Sangotedo. It's a 54-unit of 3-bedroom terraces with BQ. Our opening prices then was about 45 million naira. Today, the value of these terraces is 120 million and rising. That's over 150% increase in just 3 years. On the rental side, a 2-bedroom apartment that used to rent for about 800,000 sometime in 2020 now goes for an average price of 3.3 million naira. For lands, a few years ago, they were going for between 20 to 30 million naira. Today, a plot of land in Sangotedo goes for between 70 to 150 million naira, depending on the location. So when people say this area is growing, this is what they mean. Now the question is, why Sangotedo? Why this massive growth? I'm going to give you some few points just to give you an idea of why this area is currently exploding and is bound to see future growth. First off is location. Sangotedo lies right along the Lekki Expressway, close to everything people want to be close to. We're talking about close to VGC, close to Aja, with lots of malls, hospitals, and a thriving community. But more importantly, access. From Monastery Road, you can easily access the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, giving you a better commute time to areas like Lekki Phase 1 and Victoria Island, the core business hubs in Lagos. And if you understand infrastructure, you will know that this is a game changer. Because anytime a major road project comes close to an area, land prices don't stay the same. And it doesn't stop there. The Lagos Green Line project, expected to commence construction this year, is designed to connect key parts of the island all the way down to Lekki. What does this mean? Better movement, less travel time, and higher demand for properties within this vicinity. And once accessibility improves, prices follows always. This is exactly how places like Lekki Phase 1 became what they are today. Another major but largely overlooked reason for the increase in demand for properties in Sangotedo is this. People are simply being priced out of areas like Lekki Phase 1, Ikate, Chevron, and the likes. Meaning property buyers and investors are moving to areas with lower entry points but with massive growth potential. What does the future hold? Based on Lagos market trends, emerging areas tied to infrastructure typically see a 5 to 15% annual growth, sometimes even higher in early stages. And areas like Sangotedo that are still developing often outperform those averages. So realistically, over the next 2 to 3 years, we could see another 20 to 50% appreciation, increased rental demand, and higher entry barriers, meaning what looks expensive today might look cheap very soon. This is why diaspora buyers are currently moving into Sangotedo. They understand one thing: you don't wait for an area to fully develop, you buy before it does. That's how real estate money is made. So the real question is, are you going to wait until everyone starts talking about Sangotedo, or position yourself now while it's still rising? If you are considering investing here, especially from abroad, send me a message. Our WhatsApp contact is in the description, and I'll guide you properly in a way that ensures you get the best deals with great returns and your investment stays secure.